Hi students, today also we are going to learn 11th chapter about recording and communicating knowledge. In this chapter, first let you see introduction. You know, there are two communicating skills you may find. One is through speaking and one more is through writing. What is writing? Yes, writing is a way of recording or uh, storing words and ideas. You are writing your feelings, your ideas. Isn't it or not? Yes. In ancient India, knowledge was passed on orally. Okay, loss of knowledge. How they will say? Yes, they will say through the mouth. They may speak about their skills, their knowledge. Previously, you know, teachers or gurus who were training their disciples, and you may observe about them. And next, now see here main okay written communication. Now your textbook is there. If you read, you may get your information about that particular chapter, that is written communication. But previously there was no written communication, so picture communication was there on the wall. Huh? They are drawing, through that they are understanding some skills. Now see here, earliest form pictures mainly of animals found on the walls, and you may observe. The next one, Sumerian of Mesopotamia, which is there in Iraq. You may observe here, first developed a system of writing called as a script. Where it was first started script? Yes, in Iraq. And, especially you may observe a Sumerian of Mesopotamia. Next, Egyptians scripts using picture and symbols. Okay, you may know 5,000 years ago. Like this, you may observe. Now see here, Chinese and Japanese script contain pictures as well as symbols. Even today you may observe. Today we use the symbol of alphabets. They are symbols representing the different sounds women produce. Now in English, how many alphabets we have? Yes, 26 alphabets we have. Like that you may observe student, each language has some alphabets according that they will write. Okay, now see here, first proper alphabet system was developed in Syria. Where was developed? Syria. These all are very important students. Maybe in a test also will come. If I ask how many alphabets are there in English, you have to write exactly 26. Okay, first time where it was developed alphabets, yes, you have to write Syria. Okay, you know, when it was developed nearly 3,500 years ago. Right. Next, see the Roman alphabet system, which is used to written English as 26 alphabets completed. Okay, oldest scripts in India, Indus Valley civilization. Which is the oldest civilization? Which is the oldest script? Where we will find Indus Valley civilization. Next, Brahmi Lipi. Okay, Brahmi was next to be discovered. Most scripts of the Indian language today are derived from this script. And next one, Devanagari script was used to the write Hindi. It is also very important. Devanagari script is known as a Hindi. Nowadays we are using in our Indian language. Hindi is our national language also. Okay, Hindi, it has no own words. It is divided from the Devanagari. Then now listen about writing numbers. Writing numbers. Okay, ancient times, sticks and stones. Okay, sometimes even pictures they have used for the counting. Okay, for the counting they have used sticks, stones, pictures. Then the Romans developed as a system of the writing numbers which used just 7 symbols to write numbers from first to ah, 10 lakhs. They have used only some numbers. Through that they have developed Romans. Okay, who did develop first number system? Romans says very good. Today we are using the Hindu Arabic system also. Isn't it or not? Yes, exactly. We are using Hindu and Arabic system. This system used 10 symbols. Okay, 0 to 9 to represented and numbers. Okay, small or large. Okay, 0 is invited by our Indian mathematician. Who was he? Yes, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was one of the our Indian. He has invented the 0. You may know, student. Very good. Nowadays, all are using this 10 symbols, these numbers. Through that, several thousands, lakhs, crores, okay, billions we are using for the counting. If you want to know, you ask even your math teachers also. Then they will say about how to count numbers, how many numbers are there, which type of the numbers are there. You may know. Okay, next see about paper. Okay, ancient Egyptians used stem of a plant called papyrus. It is also important. Okay, ancient Egyptians are called papyrus. It is known as we called paper. Okay, it was derived 4,000 years ago. The true paper we know today we made in China from bark of trees 1900 years ago. You may know, student. See how we are using, how we are getting that one. Your process is here there. You have to watch the mission. Okay, about that one. Then to wood we use. Okay, that paper, that bamboo sticks, okay, bark of trees. Through that it is possible to preparing the paper. And the paper was invented long before the printing. Early books were written by hand on paper. Okay, about that one paper. Now see here next one about printing. Printing was the first developed in China. Where was print developed? Yes, exactly. The print was developed in China country. When it was developed in China country? Yes, 2000 years ago. 2000 years ago, the print developed in especially in China. Carved wooden black and printed black printing. Okay, so those days they have used some of the symbols on the wood. They have used that Achu prints previously. Coming later, technologies developed. So John Gutenberg invited print mission. Through that we are getting, isn't it or not? Yes, prints. In the year 1450, John Gutenberg of the Germany brought the revolution in print. He invited the print mission. Through that several numbers are getting the print copies. He made several small metals mode of the alphabets. These were called as types. They could be arranged, you may observe. Like these small letters he has kept in the mission. Through that now prints were there those days. Not only that, students, nowadays digital printers came, okay, and very uh, uh, print press also came. So we are printing several papers, newspapers, magazines, books, etc. You may know. Okay, he made several small metals for the uh, giving the print, that one. you know uh, they could be arranged to form a word line and papers. This was called as a type setting. See, type setting, where is keyboard is there in your system, even your mobile or in desktop computer and laptop, all, okay, types are there same. Okay, why? Because they used one method, so that's why for typing they have arranged different places, different alphabeticals. Why? Because easily through your fingers you can type the words. The purpose you may know, student. Next to see here, braille lipi. Braille lipi, who are studying? Yes, those who are blind, those who have unable to see, that persons, they may use this braille lipi. A special script called braille is designed to allow uh, blind people to read a book using their, okay, figures. This script was developed by the Louis Braille. Okay, it was developed by whom? Louis Braille. The letter of the each word are the printed in a pattern of small dots, which are the raised. Now you have watched that documents now, and that one small bubbles are there. Through that they will study braille lipi. Okay, student, knowledge, okay, literacy and progress. With the development of the computers, printing has become much faster and better. If you use your knowledge, okay, uh, then you will get good progress, student. We use software, okay, like page mark and in design to arrange text and pictures in page to print. If you make proper, okay, printings etc., then you will get good, especially uh, printing very well designed. Then literary is the key of the success. Yeah, unfortunately, in India is a large number of the people cannot read or write. Why? Because literacy is there very low. Educated people are very less are there in our India, so they are unable to read and write, students. That's why for the communicating through the speaking it is easy, but they can't communicate through the writing. Okay, let we will once again we recall what did you learn now. Okay, you have learned written communication, introduction of the, okay, communication, writing numbers. Okay, for example, Hindu Arabic system. You learned paper, it is known as we call papyrus. Papyrus is known as the divided word is paper. Isn't it or not? Yes. Next, learn printing. Printing first started in China. Okay, Chinese block printing. You may observe first who did introduce, invited the print mission? Yes, John Gutenberg. Next, about Braille lipi. Okay, Braille lipi scripts are also is there. Really, who did invited? Louis Braille is invited. How is there? With small dots. And next you learn now knowledge, literacy and progress. Okay, very good, student. Communication leads to innovation. you can share your thoughts, your feelings, and your needs or your talent to others. Friends, in this section, recording, communicating, uh, knowledge. In this chapter, communication is most important. You can communicate through the mobile, through the letters. Isn't it or not? Yes, it is possible. Okay, you can call through may speak, or you may write on letter. You can say your needs or your feelings to others. Okay, listen carefully here. Long ago in ancient Indian, of for example, knowledge was uh, there, which is they are getting very well. It was not recorded in the written form, okay, because this is knowledge was communicating a very small from one to other. This maybe also has resulted in the loss of the knowledge slowly. Better method of the recording and the communicating knowledge came into place. So they are passing from one place to one body to another body. Earliest form of the written communication was through, you may observe on the wall some picture images, some symbols. Through that we know observe. Here you are watching okay, Bhimbetka caves, which is there in Madhya Pradesh. On that you may observe some written document, some symbols and images you may observe. Earliest people they have draw there. Okay, pictures mainly of animals have been discovered in the caves. You may know, but the making the pictures took a long time. Isn't it or not? Yes. Gradually, the pictures were replaced by the sign and symbols. The Sumerians of the Mesopotamia, now in Iraq, were the first to develop a system of writing. Where it was developed especially? Yes, in Mesopotamia, you may know. All a script using the sign over 5,000 years ago. When it was developed 5,000 years ago, they wrote their signs a block of the clay called tablets. Many of these tablets have been discovered. Isn't it or not? Yes. The Egyptians developed a script using pictures and symbols about 5,000 years ago. Now we are watching a Chinese and Japanese script and based on the pictures and symbols even today. Okay. Then now see here most languages today use the system of the alphabets. Different alphabets they are using for writing. When you are reading that time you are understanding about that information. Alphabets are the nothing but okay, symbols. The first proper alphabet system to be used was probably Syria about 3,500 years ago. Would it used? Yes, Syrians first time they are used. You may know. Totally, how many different systems you observe? 50 you may observe. In Roman alphabets or English language, how many letters are there? Yes, you may know 26 letters you observed. Okay, where we will find oldest script in India? Yes, you may find it Indus Valley civilization. Okay, no one yet be able to read this script. Okay, later Brahmi and other scripts were discovered. Most scripts used written in Indian languages today have been derived from the Brahmi script. So many languages derived from the Brahmi script only. Isn't it or not? But Hindi only derived from the Devanagari script. Okay, Hindi is derived from the Devanagari script. Next numbers you may observe for the number. Earlier time they have used for the counting. They used sticks, stones. Isn't it or not like that? But coming times they used some okay symbols, pictures, etc. Then Romans they have developed some symbols those days. Through that they are counting 1 to 10 lakhs up to that they have developed. So you may observe student like this Roman numbers or ones, tens, hundreds, thousands in Roman language. Okay, and after that we are using Hindi and Arabic also. Isn't it or not? Yes, student. Uh, the Arabs, they are writing how and how Hindi they are writing, you may know. The beauty of the system is that is they used only 10 symbols for 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Already I this all things said na. Yes, just I am recalling here. Paper. Now paper. Okay, 4,000 years ago the ancient Egyptians they have used some scrolls. Isn't it or not? On that they are writing, they are using. Previously we may know papyrus, it is known as we call paper. Used the system of the plants, you may know. The true paper as know it and today the first made by China is about 1900 years ago. They are using some different trees wood. Through that they are preparing paper. They are preparing paper. Then you may observe here different wood. Today wood pulps used for preparing the paper. Paper was invented before the print. Earlier books had to be written by the hand, but nowadays are you writing? Yes, you are writing for knowledge, but main books are printed textbooks. All things are printed copies now you are getting. But previously is there? No, they are sharing knowledge to one person to another person. Isn't it or not? Yes, very good. Now, say observe here. Print, which is started first in especially in Chinese. It was started by the Chinese. So the print which is now more useful to everyone. Everyone are getting their information through the print. If they want to send one message to other person, they will write or they will type. So they will pass or they will type and get print out and they will send that documents to others. Especially it is nowadays useful more in industries, in trade sector, business sector. You may observe, student. The made several small metal for the printing in printing press. So that's why we are getting print. Okay, large printers you may observe in press media. They are printing lot of the newspapers. Isn't it or not? Yes. Nowadays you are observing especially eh, printing pages in your books. Isn't it or not? Yes. On that they are using black or they are using colors also. You may know books could now be printed much faster and the larger numbers. They become the cheaper and many more people could see. Next one, Braille. Braille lipi also already I explained na. Yes, through that script they are learning. They have some small dots like that. They have some codes, some symbols. Huh? Through that only they will study and they will know, student, and they may communicate in their signs and symbols who observed. This is developed by the Louis Braille. The script was developed by the Louis Braille. Who was he? He was one of the French person. He has invited this one. So many blends nowadays are using and studying this one. So they are getting good communication about these all things, students. Not only that, in this chapter you have learned especially communication, direction of the communication, knowledge, literacy and progress, paper, print, braille. Did you learn this all things or not? Yes, very good, student. Now you have homework. For you, I am giving homework remaining continuation. I will explain this all things in next class. So you have to uh, be ready for online exam. Up to this, I will give in exam. You have to read this all chapter. Be ready for exam. Okay. And remaining part in this chapter, only last page I will explain next class. You read up to 80 pages.